In 1916, Albert Einstein made a radical prediction. He realized that space itself is a flexible fabric, and that massive accelerating objects would create ripples in this fabric, gravitational waves propagating outward at the speed of light. For decades, it remained just a theory. But then came GW 150914. Two massive black holes, 36 and 29 times the mass of our Sun, locked in a death spiral. As they plunged toward each other, their orbital frequency skyrocketed, churning space into a violent storm before merging in a cataclysmic flash. For the next 1.3 billion years, that colossal distortion radiated outward. As it crossed the universe, its strength decayed inversely with distance. By the time it finally washed over a small blue planet in 2015, the cosmic tsunami had faded to an infinitesimal whisper, stretching space by a mere fraction of a proton. To detect a distortion this small, humanity built the most precise ruler in existence. Inside LIGO, a laser splits down two 4-kilometer arms. As the gravitational wave washes over Earth, it infinitesimally stretches one arm while squeezing the other. This tiny physical warp shifts the phase of the light, causing a flicker, a blink that